Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make a bed. You know, a white version of this thing, okay? You can use it to skip the day, set your spawn point and everything. So first, what you're going to need to do is find a tree and mine it. If we just go over here, you have to collect all the wood from the tree. I would say around 1 or 2 trees, depending on how much it gives you. So let's just finish mining the trees, and then what you need to do is craft the oak logs into oak planks. Then you use the planks to make a crafting table. Then what you need to do is you need to find sheep. Let's just quickly find some. We need to find 3 sheep. Let's just quickly find some around. This may take a little bit. Hopefully it won't take too long though. Ooh, I'm gonna. Also, if you want to change your bed to a different color, I recommend getting some flowers. Pick the flower that you like the best. My favorite color is pink, so I'm gonna collect pink flowers. So we're just gonna keep trying to find some sheep, and once we're done finding sheep, then what we'll do is get their wool, and there is a cost to getting their wool if we don't have 2 iron to make shears. There is a bit of a cost, which is sad. But I'll tell you when we get there. And why are there no sheep? Wait, did I see a sheep? I think I saw a sheep. Nah, oak wood. Okay, hey guys. It took me a couple minutes, but I found 3 sheep. And then here's the sad part you're gonna need to do if you don't have 2 iron for shears. You may want to look away for a couple seconds. I'll tell you when you can look back. So give me a couple seconds. Okay, so now you have dealt with some sheep. What you need to do is remember the crafting table I told you to make a while ago. Place the crafting table down and remember the wool. Place the wool like that in the crafting table, and remember the planks, place the planks like that, and then there you go. You have a bed in Minecraft. You can set your spawn point, you can sleep when it's nighttime. But here's the part where you need flowers for. So if I just get all the pink flowers I did and turn them into dye, if I put that on the crafting table and that on the crafting table, I can turn the bed pink. Or if I make red dye from the red flowers I found, then if I put it in with the crafting table, it turns red. So just find the color you like the most and then change it in its color if you want to. Well, there you go, and that's how you make a bed in Minecraft Bedrock Edition. Bye. Hello, thanks for watching. Also, please make sure to check out my other videos and like and subscribe. It'll really help my channel. Thanks.